Hello, this is Seth for Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're taking a look at a 2017 Ram 1500 SLT quad cab. Under the hood we have a 5.7 liter V8 Hemi and a 8-speed automatic transmission. This guy is in the brilliant black and it looks great. It's very shiny and metallic looking, stands out nicely. You do have the chrome grille on there, looks awesome with that Ram logo. You have the chrome bumper as well, and it does come with halogen quad headlamps right there, and your fog lights hanging out just down there. Now coming around the side, we do have 20-inch rims with Bridgestone brand tires, and they look great. Still lots of tread left on them, and we do have that Hemi logo right there, as well as heated exterior mirrors with the turning signal, and you do have the running boards along the bottom. Now coming around the back, we do have a 6-foot box with the SLT logo. You got the chrome bumper and dual tailpipes. Looks awesome. Open this guy up. You do have the box liner back here and tons of room, so you'll be good on hauling whatever you might want to. Okay, we got our keys here, so 2 presses to unlock all the doors, 1 press to lock, and we do got 2 presses to activate the remote start. Especially nice in the winter, remote start will get it all warm for you, and you'll be able to go a little bit quicker. Now, let's unlock and take a look on the inside. So on the door here, we do have electric mirrors, windows, and locks all hanging out right there, as well as you got that chrome accenting on the handle. Handle here, bit of storage here, and some more right down there with a water bottle holder. And you do have this guy, which is your seat control back and forward, as well as the lean and the lumbar support. And then you got your controls over your lights here, so your auto, your off, your daytime running lights, and your low beams, as well as you do have your fog lights in the middle if you press it in. And then you have your windshield wipers right there with your high beams. On the inside of the vehicle now, so key in the ignition, and we are good to go. In the center here, we do have our speedometer and our odometer, as well as our fuel gauge and our engine temperature. As well, we do have the battery life up there and the oil. It does say that our windshield wiper fluid is low, but we can replace that later. As well, in the center, it does tell us the temperature outside, how many kilometers we've been, which is only 3,277, pretty much nothing, as well as the way we're facing and what we're listening to. You also have your vehicle info here. You have your fuel economy, your trip A, your trip B, your audio, your stored messages, screen setup, and back to your speedometer. That is controlled from your steering wheel right here with your voice recognition and your call out button. And you do have your horn in the center, and on the other side you also have your cruise control options. Around the back of the steering wheel here, we do have volume up and down. You have an identical one on the other side for your channel changer, and the button in the middle does change the source. In the center here, we do have an 8.4-inch touchscreen display with Uconnect, so you have your AM, FM, and Sirius XM, as well as you have your media tab right here if you do have a media device hooked up through USB, aux cord, or through Bluetooth. You also have your controls here for your heated seat, as well as your heated steering wheel and your passenger side, mirror dimmer, and your settings to change some stuff. You got your apps through your Uconnect. You have your climate control right here, dual climate for you and your passenger, so you and your passenger can have different levels of heat or cold. You got your screen off if it's bright, and you do have your phone options if you have one hooked up through Bluetooth. Down here we also have the volume up and down and the mute, the screen off, hazard lights back button, and the browser there, your AC, your circulation, your heat up and down, the power right here, as well as the off, the auto, and the front and rear defrost. And then down here we also have our traction control, tow and haul mode. This guy here is our heat for our heated seat, our heated steering wheel, and the other side. And then you do have your gear shift right here, so you just turn it just like that. And then you have your 4-wheel lock, your 4-wheel low, and your 2-wheel right there. And you got a plug in here and some storage, as well as you can pull this guy out, and there is some additional storage in there. And then in the center, you do have 3 cup holders with your armrest that does double as a storage container. You got 3 coin holders, and you got an aux cord and a USB plug-in right there. Then you can lift this guy up just like this, and you got another seat here, so it does seat 6 people altogether. You can also lift this up just like this, and you got another little hidden storage container under there. Over here we do have a top glove box and a bottom glove box, tons of room. And then right up top here we do have, this is the control of the little window in the back and the universal garage door opener. So that does open this window up just like that. Okay, let's take a look in the back here. Open this guy up. Now on the door you do have that same chrome accenting. You have the control over the windows, your handle here, and you do have your speaker right down here. Lots of room back here. It is the same material as the front, so very soft, very comfortable, and you can lift this guy right up like this, and then you have a little bit of additional storage underneath there. You do have the same on the other side. Or you can lift this up like this and fold it down, and then you do have a flat surface to put stuff on top of, and you can do the same with the other side as well. Well, that does it for my walk around video of the 2017 Ram 1500 SLT. If you want to come and take a closer look for yourself or take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.